Vincent Buda & Company is a proud retailer of quality Australian-made door frames manufactured by Pro Industries. Today we're touring their Smithfield manufacturing facility. The extensive process begins when the raw sheet material is punched by a turret machine. This forms the base template for the frames. Following this, team members shape the metal using press machinery to form the profile of each style of the frames. The sections then head over to the welding bay, where hardware such as strikers and hinge backing plates are welded into position. Each style is prepped for final assembly and either tack welded or fully welded, assembled and primed. In most cases, a primer is then applied to the frames. Finally, the frames are loaded on pallets and sent out for delivery, arriving at your next job site.